んにちは、皆さん。Ms.P です。Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Go-ya Champuru Ms.P style. Ms.P style, okay? So, this recipe is super popular with the Japanese and American people in America. Every time I make Go-ya Champuru with this recipe and bring it to a Japanese picnic or party, everybody loves it. And then everything is gone within 10 minutes. So I was super surprised. Everybody loves my Go-ya Champuru. However, my Go-ya Champuru is very different from regular Okinawan Go-ya Champuru because I don't use tuna fish. Usually, Okinawan people use a can of tuna fish, but I don't use tuna fish. Instead of tuna fish, I use fish flakes and onion. That's the point. As my Japanese friend's recommendation, I make this video today. However, while I was cooking, my husband kept bothering me, so I asked him to cook Go-ya Champuru this time. So I didn't make this time. He cooked. He made Go-ya Champuru. However, it was very tasty. So, let's get started! Okay, so these are all ingredients for Go-ya Champuru. First of all, Go-ya. We can get Go-ya at Indian supermarket in America. Next, tofu, farm tofu. This is fish flakes and 2 eggs, 1 onion and soy sauce, salt and pepper, black pepper. So this is all. So let's start cooking. First of all, I'm gonna take care of farm tofu and get rid of water from tofu as much as possible. Wrap it up with a paper towel and push down and take away the water as much as possible and make it sit for a little while. And next, I'm gonna cut the Goyas. And I'm gonna cut the half and take away the inside of the white parts. Okay? So take away inside the white parts. Okay. So, and then this is also cut here and here and And next, I'm gonna slice Goya, but if you don't like bitterness, you have to slice very thin, like this. Like this thickness. However, if you like bitterness, you can cut this thick. Okay? So, I'm gonna cut and I'm gonna slice everything. And after you slice the Goya, you're gonna put Goya in the water. Okay? in the water. Make them sit for a little while. And next, onion. Slice onion. Okay. So, just about this thickness. Okay? Okay, I think this is enough. Next, I'm gonna prepare egg. Okay. Cover it. And add a little bit salt. And mix it. That's it. And then next, I will cut tofu. It's about this, cut half here, cut half here, and now divide by 3 here, and divide by 3 here again. It's done. I will use olive oil to make Go-ya Champuru, okay?
You better let the pan dry first before you add oil.
Then, okay, you done?
You have to rinse it out again because it has a little
Why?
bit of paper towel in it. It's kind of sticky. You have to let it heat up first.
Can I cook?
No, the pan is not ready yet.
Okay. うちの旦那さんが邪魔するので、私の代わりにゴーヤーチャンプルーを作ってもらうことにしました。First of all, you're gonna use olive oil, okay? Olive oil.
I have to let the pan heat up a little bit. It's still cold.
And then,
How much?
just 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons
That's
of
good?
oil.
Little
Yeah,
bit?
that's enough.
Okay.
That's enough. And then you have to make it spread out. And you have to cook tofu first. Make it brown, okay? Make it brown.
I have to turn up the heat.
Make it brown. Both sides, 2 sides.
Okay.
Top and the bottom. Okay? Nice brown color, you have to make it.
Carella stir fry with tofu.
Karela. Yeah. Goya is called Karela
Bitter
in
melon.
Indian. Bitter melon. Yeah, you're right. Bitter melon.
It has a lot of vitamins.
It has a lot of vitamin C. Flip over everything. Okay, now I'm gonna drain the Goya. Drain the Goya. Done. Yes, you have to add the vegetables now.
Yeah, you have to scrape the fond.
It's fine. Water will come out from vegetables.
Okay.
It's gonna be fine.
Okay.
You have to do it, yeah. Yeah. You have to probably cook 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes, this much.
No lid?
No lid. No lid. You have to make water evaporate, okay? 6 minutes, that 5 minutes is kind of long. So you probably have to, you have to cook until vegetable is soft.
You're not going to add salt now?
Oh yeah,
because salt is going to help water to come out and make it soft.
Okay. Now you can add salt and pepper. Here you go.
How much?
A little bit because we're gonna use soy sauce too.
That's enough. A little bit more.
That's enough. A little bit more. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so now you can add eggs. And then you don't have to mix it. Just make it sit for a little while. If you mix that, egg is gonna be apart, like little pieces, you know? So now you can mix a little bit.
Okay.
And then we're gonna use fish flakes.
How much? 1 bag?
No, not 1 bag. This much Go-ya Champuru, maybe half or 2/3 of 1 package. Okay, that's enough. And then you have to use, before you mix, you're gonna use soy sauce.
Okay. How much soy sauce?
Okay, let me see. Probably like 2 tablespoons. Okay, that's enough.
Okay. I think
You
it's
have to
done.
mix well. Soy sauce is gonna go everywhere. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna taste a little bit. Let me see. Oops. Good. Very good. Very good. Good. Hi. Here, it's done. This is Go-ya Champuru. Let me try. Now I'm gonna try Go-ya Champuru. It's very good. You did a good job, Adam. Hello everyone. How was today's Go-ya Champuru's recipe? I hope you're gonna make Go-ya Champuru with this recipe. It's gonna be super delicious. So please try and see you next time. Happy cooking! Bye!